Hello learners, welcome to Tech Box 247. In this video we are going to learn an interesting topic. How is a hacker different from a cracker? Let us now discuss about hackers. Hackers are the ones who get into someone's code or computer without any malicious intentions. The persons who get unauthorized access to the websites and replace them with other websites or unlawful information is known as hackers. Crackers are the ones who get into someone's code or computer with malicious intentions. The person who uses certain software to trap authenticated information or to crack the security codes such as usernames and passwords to illegally access the information of computers is called a crackers. Kindly subscribe Tech Box for more interesting concepts. Thank you for watching.